So my fellow Itogonians, distinguished guests, colleagues, friends, and family. Today, I stand before you filled with immense gratitude and a profound sense of responsibility as I take the oath of office as your Vice Mayor. This moment is not just a personal milestone, it is a reaffirmation of our collective journey towards a brighter, more prosperous Itogon. I want to extend my deepest thanks to each and every one of you who had placed your trust in me. Your support, your hopes, and your aspirations are the fuel that will guide me in this new chapter of public service. To my family, my relatives, friends, your unwavering love and encouragement have been my constant anchor, and I am eternally grateful. My commitment to you is simple yet profound: to serve with integrity, transparency, and an unwavering dedication to the welfare of our community. As Vice Mayor, I recognize the crucial role I play in fostering an environment of cooperation and progress within our local government. I am committed to working hand in hand with our Mayor, the Sangguniang Bayan members, and all the stakeholders to translate our shared vision into tangible realities. We face challenges undoubtedly, but I believe that with unity, collaboration, and a clear focus on our priorities, we can overcome them. I envision an Itogon where every voice is heard and every citizen feels valued and included in the journey of our development. I pledge to preside over the Sangguniang Bayan with fairness and impartiality, ensuring that every ordinance and resolution is thoroughly deliberated and enacted with the best interests of our constituents at heart. I will champion initiatives that promote public participation, encourage constructive dialogue, and strengthen the bonds that tie us together as a community. This is not a task I take lightly. It demands hard work, dedication, and a willingness to listen and learn. I promise to always be accessible, to listen,